Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. We have a 43-inch LG Smart LED TV, model 43LK5400 PTA. It turns on, with the backlight illuminating, but there is no display on the screen. I will show you exactly how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. I have already diagnosed the problem with this TV earlier. Not the panel CKV line or the timing control is the problem. It is a problem with the main board. But let's measure the voltages of the timing control. We have 13 volts on the B+ fuse. .1 volts to the VGH. And other DC to DC have voltages. Mostly the panel CKV line or the timing control has the problem if we don't have voltage to the VGH or the other supply. I have a universal analog TV board model HDV56AS version 2.1. We will replace this as the main board. It is not a smart board, but the customer agreed to replace the main board with it. At least it has an analog cable TV reception. The universal board has a selector of the screen resolution, which means no need to flash it using software just to change the resolution. Let's adjust the configuration to meet the requirements of the panel. This is the voltage of the panel. Let's put the jumper to 12 volts. The panel is full HD. The full HD resolution is these jumper AB, AC, and ACG. Let's try the A and B jumpers. Let's connect a 12 volts power supply to the universal board using this adjustable power supply. Now solder it to the terminal of this DC jack input. This is the negative and positive. Connect the 7 keys/IR sensor so we can turn on the universal board. It seems it is working. Now connect the LVDS cable to the timing control or T-con. This is the FIRE51P is a 51-pin LVDS screen line cable. Make sure the power line is on this side. And make sure that this connector mark is on this arrow side. All connections and the jumpers are in the right place. Now let's try it. We will first plug the TV so the backlight will turn on. Now plug in the universal board and turn it on. As you can see, we have a display now. It's confirmed that the panel is okay and the main board is really defective. Let's remove the main board and try to mount the universal board. I also attempted to replace the LVDS cable, but there is still no display. This area is the ideal location to install the universal board. Let's first drill a hole of the cable jack. Next, the RCA jacks. Mark the 3 RCA jack as a guide to drill for the hole.
20 minutes later.
All the inputs and outputs have their holes now. It's not perfect, but who cares? Let's now connect the power supply, the backlight on off, and the backlight adjust, also the speakers. Let's unscrew the power board and see where the 12 volts output is. Let's discharge the main capacitor using the 220 ohms 20 watts resistor to avoid an electric shock when handling the power board. The power board has no PFC. These are the voltage output and the ground, PWM, BL on, and we have a PS on. Samsung's power output standard 12 voltage out is 13 volts. Let's measure the voltage output. The 13 volts is only 7 to 8 volts, not stable. Seems the 13 volts is only 8 volts when the power supply is in standby mode. Let's connect the universal board and see if will still turn on if the supply is only 8 volts. Yes, it turns on with 8 volts only. We can manage to trigger the PS on using the USB 5 volts supply. The USB 5 volts supply is off when the universal board is off and it's on when it is turned on. It is perfect for triggering the PS on. Let's measure the USB 5 volts supply. When plugged in, the USB supply turns on and then off. If it is turning on, it stays on until the power is turned off. This is ideal for triggering the PS on. We will series a 2.2k ohms to the USB 5 volts. It is needed for not compromising the USB 5 volts supply. Let's connect to the PS on and test if will work. As you can see, it's 13 volts when it is first plugged in, then down to 8 volts. Now let's turn it on. It stays at 13 volts when it is on, and 8 volts when turned off. Now the standby mode is working. Now let's connect the PWM and BL on. The PWM will be connect to adjust. Let's secure the resistor with a sinkable tube. Let's place the power board back and try it will work. All are now connected. Let's try it. It seems to be working now. Don't forget to connect the speakers. The bottom of the TV is the best place for these 7 keys and the IR sensor. Stick them using a double-sided tape. The TV is working now, but there is one more setting to adjust, the LVDS channel swap. We can change the setting in service mode. To enter the service mode, press the menu then 8896. Go to General Setting, Panel Setting, and enable the LVDS channel swap. See the difference? I think the other full HD jumpers will also solve this problem, but we can do it in service mode anyway.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Another TV works again by using a universal TV board. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support and encourage me to upload more videos by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to never miss a video like this. Once again, this is TEVZ, TEPS. See you again next time. Bye for now.